Namaste. I am Paul Satyanathan David, practicing advocate and dealing with also high profile cases. ఇప్పుడు నేను మాట్లాడబోయేది రీసెంట్ హత్య చేశారు మా అడ్వకేట్స్ని, హస్బెండ్ అండ్ వైఫ్ని. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ బ్రూటల్ కిల్లింగ్ విచ్ ఐఎమ్ కండమింగ్ హోల్ హార్టెడ్లీ అండ్ వెరీ మచ్. దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే it is not one incident. Advocates are repeatedly attacked. Now I am talking about those criminals only. I am not talking the criminals who have attacked the husband and wife and they are killing the advocates who are going for justice. Now justice, whether it's a pill, whether it is any case against the government or it's any case against anyone regarding property matter or anything, it is only for the justice of one party they are taking up the cases. Now persons who are unable to tolerate this thing, don't want justice, if they want to kill that person who is fighting for justice, tomorrow it will not be very late that even the lordships will be attacked one day. Even today the chief minister, honorable chief minister, is moving with convoy because he is not safe. Okay, but whereas there is no safety for the advocates. The advocates are taking risk. They have to go to various courts from one district to another, various places across the states. Now what is the protection? Now we want only one thing, is that you must, government, you must consider and give us the training for advocates to hold their own weapons or security. Now this is a must and should, because don't wait for another incident to happen. If this will happen, then there will be a terrible situation where you'll have to face the wrath of the advocates. Already there are number of advocates who are agitated over this and they are going to fix up the criminals who are doing this activity for life. We are not going to be afraid of our profession. If police is not afraid of their profession and they are doing their duty, no criminal should attack the police. Similarly, no criminal should attack the advocates, no criminal should attack the justice system or even the judges. If you are going to keep quiet now for these advocates, tomorrow even judges will be targeted. Okay, CM and your politicians, they are moving with their henchmen, they are moving with their gunmen, they are getting security and they are going. But I am talking about the criminal politicians. If they are going to give a threat to the advocates, I want to warn these political fellows who are criminals that don't think that we are afraid of your killings, the stray incidents and all. We can do much better way, but we will do it legally, we will do it in a very professional manner, and you will not be able to defend yourself at all in those circumstances. Therefore, I am pleading with the government, the collectors, the government, to provide us the training and the weapons, because we don't want to take illegal weapons, we don't want to act arbitrarily. We want the government to issue the license to the advocates who are dealing with high profile cases, and we are going to insist on that one. And before it could become an uproar in the parliament, please see that license are given for all the advocates and the proper training is given how to handle this weapon. And I hope the government will take this matter very seriously. Jai Hind.